So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-activate ang thief protection sa ating Android phone. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang settings ng ating mobile phone. And then, pagka-open guys, hanapin lang natin dito sa settings yung security. So, scroll up lang natin. And ayan guys, itap lang natin yung security. So, sa lahat guys ng Android phone is meron namang thief protection na nandito lang sa security ng inyong settings. So, dito guys, sa security, scroll up lang natin. And then, hanapin nyo yung thief alert or thief protection. So, tap lang natin. So, kung makikita nyo guys, naka-disable or naka-turn up yung aking thief alert dito. So, once kasi guys, na-turn on natin siya katulad nito, or in-enable, ang mangyayari niyan guys, once na naka-turn on or naka-enable yung ating thief alert, ibig sabihin yan, maa-alert daw tayo once na yung charging connection natin is na-disconnect. So, mag-a-alarm daw yan or magre-ring. And ganun din yan guys, kapag halimbawa, yung phone natin is ginagamit natin sa public places and biglang may nag-snatch ng phone natin, automatic yan guys, maglalak yan kapag na-detect na parang nagbabibrate or parang may nag-snatch sa ating phone. So, di ba guys, kapag in-snatch sa atin, naka-open yung screen niya and mabubuksan nila yung laman ng ating phone. So, once na na-snatch yan or nawala sa kamay natin yung phone, automatic, mag-screen lock siya and kailangan pang i-open gamit ang passcode or fingerprint once na may kumuha ng ating phone. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba enable or i-activate ang thief protection sa ating Android phone. If you have a question, can comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.